When trading options, one of the most important tools you can use is the option chain. It provides a complete view of all available option contracts for a stock or an index, showing key details like strike prices, premiums, open interests, and much more. Now, why is this useful? Well, the option chain helps traders determine market sentiment, identify trading opportunities, and make more informed decisions about their positions. On Kite, we've redesigned the option chain to make your trading experience smoother. With the new option chain, you can view everything in one place without switching between multiple screens. Track market depth, monitor open positions, and even place orders instantly. Let me show you how to get started. To open the option chain on Kite Web, click on an instrument, then click on More, and click on Option Chain. You can also access it by opening up the chart and clicking on Option Chain. Once you're in, you'll see all the contracts for the currently selected expiry date. Want to analyze different expiries? Simply select another date by clicking here. You can also see how many days are left for the expiry here. This helps traders compare near and far contracts to get a better understanding of market expectations. You can scroll up or down to view all the strikes of the contract on the option chain. And clicking on the highlighted ATM strike price resets to default, showing the strike prices that are nearest to the spot price. The red and green bar shows call and put open interest. Trading options is even easier now. When you hover over a strike price, you'll see quick options to buy, sell, or add it to your market watch, allowing for faster execution when you spot a trade opportunity. And if you want to execute multi-leg strategies like spreads or straddles, you can enable the basket option by clicking on basket. Once enabled, instead of buy or sell, you'll see options to add a buy or sell order to the basket. This helps you execute multiple trades together, and you can easily see both your initial margin requirement and the final margin that will be blocked after execution, taking into account all the margin benefits. Within the basket, you can set the priority of your orders, ensuring they are placed in the sequence you want. Select and delete or clear basket. Click on place all to place all the orders in a basket. Want to analyze your strategy? Clicking on Analyze, which is powered by Sensible on the basket, will show you the payoff graph along with all the other information like summary, Greeks, and IVs. By default, all the orders added in the basket will be considered for the payoff graph, but you can modify this by deselecting the contracts. Position tracking is seamless too. If you already hold a position, you'll be able to see it right on the option chain. Long positions are marked with a blue P and short positions with an orange P. Clicking on a position shows the quantity, average price, and profit or loss. You'll also see quick action buttons, so you can exit or add to your position without switching to the positions page. At the bottom of the option chain, you'll find key market indicators such as put-call ratio, max pain, at-the-money implied volatility, and IV percentile. Want to analyze options risk and pricing in more detail? Check out Option Greeks by clicking on Greeks. These Greeks will include delta, gamma, theta, and vega. And if you need a bigger view, you can open the option chain in full screen by clicking on the pop-out icon. In full screen mode, you'll see a left side panel that shows important trading information in one place: market depth, open positions, and open orders. You can load market depth of any strike price by clicking on Show on Sidebar icon. The market depth panel stays hidden by default but can be expanded whenever you need to check liquidity and bid-ask spreads. The side panel also shows all your open positions with total profit and loss and any pending orders in the open orders section. There's even a search bar for quickly switching between instruments. And for your convenience, the side panel can be collapsed or expanded as per your preference by clicking on this arrow. If you have any questions about the new option chain, please feel free to leave a comment below and we will be happy to answer them.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.